Good day mga ka-TCCS TFI. Ito ang mga kaganapan sa multidisciplinary event. Nandito din ang mga nakakaaliw at nakaka-enjoy ng mga booth dito sa event na ito, tulad ng physics, biology at chemistry. And this is the last program, the Recyclo Techno. There's a beautiful, nice, and aesthetic costume. Makikita mo talaga ang effort ng mga estudyante dito sa TCCS TFI.
Ano ang SciMath? Ang SciMath ay ang pinaikling salita para sa science at mathematics. Dalawang asignatura na mahalaga sa paglinang ng kaalaman, pag-iisip at pagkamalikhain ng mga mag-aaral. Karaniwan ang SciMath ay isang school event, fair o celebration na inilulunsad upang ipakita ang kahalagahan ng agham at matematika sa pang-araw-araw na buhay. Katulad na lamang nung Thursday at Friday na event sa school at pinangalanan itong Multidisciplinary Event 2025. Wala na. So, this is my reflection about SciMath and the event on our school, which is the Multidisciplinary Event 2025. The SciMath event has been a meaningful experience for me as a student. It reminded me that the science and mathematics are not subjects we learn in our school, but essential parts of our everyday lives through the different activities and contexts. I realize how both fields is connected. Science help us understand how the world works, while mathematics give us the tools and to explain it logically and accurately. And that's all. Thank you for my all subject teachers. Bye-bye!